Okay, look at here. The question number 3. Calculate Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness of the following group data and interpret the result. यसमा हामीलाई रिजल्टमा इन्टरप्रेट पनि गर्ने भनेको छ. Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness find out गर्नुपर्ने. This is the grouped data. भनेको अर्थ continuous data हो. अब हामीले continuous data को लागि, for this continuous data we have to find the coefficient of skewness. Okay, coefficient of skewness find out गर्नु पर्यो. So now let's solve this one. Okay. अब यो question solve गर्नलाई we have got the formula. हामीसँग के formula छ त? Coefficient of skewness find out गर्ने formula. That is SKP equals to x bar minus mode divided by standard deviation. Okay, x bar minus mode divided by standard deviation भनेको mean minus mode upon standard deviation. That we have to find. यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले coefficient of skewness find out गर्न, what we have to find here? First of all, we have to find the mean, mode र standard deviation find out गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, so let's solve it. Calculation of Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Calculation of Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Okay, this we are going to calculate here. So let's make the table. First of all, we are going to make the table here. First my class interval given, so that is CI. Okay, you can write your class interval. And then what is given here? This was an frequency given, sir. Okay, frequency. That is F. F is also given. So let's write here. Class interval is 5 to 10, then 10 to 15. Okay, then 15 to 20, then 20 to 25. Okay, after that 25 to 30. 25 to 30. These are the class intervals. These are the class intervals here. Then frequency 2, 5, 10, 4, 1. Okay, now we have to find the mid value. Class interval ko हामीलाई mid value चाहिन्छ. हामीलाई के find out गर्नु त? Mean find out गर्नको लागि we need here mid value. Okay. The mid value लाई let's suppose here x suppose गरौँ. Mid value लाई we can suppose here x. 5 देखि 10. Okay, 5 to 10 को mid value हुन्छ 7.5. 10 to 15 को mid value हुन्छ 12.5. 15 to 20 को mid value 17.5. 20 to 25 को mid value 22.5. 25 to 30 को mid value 27.5. Okay, in this way we found here mid value. हामीले mid value find out गर्यौं. अब हामीलाई mean find out गर्न we need here fx. Okay, f into x. We need here f into x. So let's multiply here. Okay, f र x लाई हामीले multiply गरौँ then. अब 7.5 into 2 भनेको त this is 15. यो 15 हो. Okay, 12.5 into 5. 12.5 into 5. If we multiply this two, we'll get here 62.5. You also 62.5. Okay, you also 175. 17.5 into 10 175. 22.5 into 4. Into 4, that will be 90. We'll get here 90 here. You also 27.5 because 27.5 into 1 is 27.5. So fx we found. I'm like standard deviation when you find out let's find your x square. X square standard deviation go lagi. Okay, so 7.5 square will be 56.25. This will be 56.25. 12.5 square. 12.5 square will be 156.25. 156.25. 17.5 square. 17.5 square. Okay, this will be 306.25. 306.25. Now 22.5 square. 22.5 square equals to 506.25. 506.25. Then 27.5 square. 27.5 square. This equals to 756.25. 756.25. Okay, so in this way, we found here x square. Next one, what we need here, fx square. We need here fx square also. Okay, to find the standard deviation. Your fx square standard deviation ko lagi चाहिन्छ. Okay, that's why now let's multiply. 56.25 into 2. Okay, 56.25 into 2. This will be 112.5. 112.5. Then 156.25 into 5. 156.25 into 5. We get 781.25. 781.25. Then 306.25 into 10. Here also 3062.5. 10 ले multiply करने हो. Okay, then 506.25 into 4. 2025. This will get here 2025. 756.25. 756.25 into the one that's directly I 756.25 will get. Okay, these are the things we need while calculating mean and standard deviation को लागि हामीलाई यति भयो भने पुग्छ mean and standard deviation को लागि. Okay, so mean and standard deviation, let's find the sum also. अब यसमा हामीलाई sum पनि चाहियो. Sum भनेको सबभन्दा पहिले n. Okay, n equals to भनेको sum of all frequencies. यो भनेको त कति आउँछ 10 5 4 9 1 22 आउँछ. Okay, this will get here 22. n equals to 22 will get. अब हामीलाई यसको sum चाहियो. Summation fx equals to. Okay, let's find the sum. यो सबैको sum find out गरौँ. 15 plus 62.5 plus 175 plus 90 plus 27.5. Okay, we'll get a 370. This will get 370. हामीलाई summation of x square को पनि sum चाहियो. Okay, for this now let's add 112.5 plus 781.25 plus 3062.5. Okay, then plus 2025. Okay, plus 756.25. So by adding all this, we'll get here 6737.5. Okay, 6737.5. This we got here. Okay, now if we know summation fx and we can find the x bar, summation fx square, summation fx, okay, mean then we can find the standard deviation also. Now x bar equals to, you know the formula, summation fx divided by n. Okay, summation fx divided by n. What is summation fx? 370 divided by n means 22. Okay, now let's divide 370 divided by 22. We'll get here 16.82. 16.82. We found the summation fx. Again, sorry, we found the mean. Yes, what I like mean आयो. अब again standard deviation find out गर्नु पर्यो. Standard deviation को लागि sigma equals to square root summation f x square divided by n minus your x bar ko square. Okay, this formula you know. Now let's put the values. यसमा भ्यालु राखौं. Summation f x square भनेको 6737.5 divided by n means 22. Okay, then minus 16.82 ko square. So let's calculate what we'll get here. Okay, so let's calculate. This one like 6737.5 divided by 22 garda we'll get here 306.25. You also 306.25. Then minus. You have 16.82. 16.822 square garnu and we'll get here 282.91. 282.91. Okay, this we got here. Okay, up to now, we're going to find here standard deviation of standard deviation value. We'll get minus around 306.25, then minus 282.91. Okay, we'll get here 23.34, 23.34. 23.34. Let's go root find out. We'll get here 4.83. We'll get here 4.83. Okay, so we got here 4.83. This is the standard deviation we found. Now I'm like mode find out. Again, one thing is left. That is mode. Okay, now for mode find out what we have to do. Look at here for mode. Okay, for mode को लागि चाहिँ हामीले के गर्नु पर्छ? You have to look at the maximum frequency कहाँ छ? Model class find out गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, here the here the maximum frequency. Here the maximum frequency. Here the maximum frequency is what is the maximum frequency? 10. And its corresponding class. And its corresponding class is 15 to 20. Okay. Here the maximum frequency is 10 and its corresponding class is 15 to 20. Therefore, model class I will have. Therefore, model class equals to 15 to 20. Okay, if we know the model class, model class then L L 15. Okay, L is 15. L ko value 15 va. And maximum frequency FM is maximum frequency, that is 10. F1 एक step अगाडिको frequency 10 भन्दा अगाडि एक step अगाडि कति छ त 5 छ, so 5. Okay, F2 एक step पछाडिको model frequency, model class को frequency भन्दा एक step तलको frequency, that is 4. Okay, and हामीलाई S पनि चाहिन्छ. S class interval 15 देखि 20 को बीचको 5 छ. ल यति कुराहरु थाहा भयो भने अब हामीलाई we can find the mode by formula mode. Okay, mode, that is M naught equals to L plus FM minus, okay, FM minus F1 divided by 2 FM minus F1 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is the formula for mode. Mode find out गर्ने formula के होता है? L plus FM minus F1 divided by 2 FM minus F1 minus F2 into H. Let's put the values. L भनेको हाम्रो यसमा कति छ त 15 छ. 15 plus, okay, FM means 10 minus F1 भनेको चाहिँ 5 divided by 2 into what is FM भनेको 10 minus what is F1 5, what is F2 4, okay, into H भनेको चाहिँ 5. So now let's calculate. यसबाट हामीलाई कति आउँछ त 15 plus 10 minus 5 भनेको 5 divided by 10 to the 20 minus 9 भनेको 11. Okay, यहाँ into 5 लेख्दा हुन्छ. ल यसलाई एकै पटकमा क्याल्कुलेसन गरौँ. What will get here? 5 5 are 25. 25 divided by 11. Okay, and then plus 15 garda, we'll get here 17.27. This we got here 17.27. Okay, we got here 17.27. Which mode we found here? 17.27. Now we have to find the Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness. Okay. अब चाहिँ हामीलाई Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Now we can find. अब find out गर्न सकिन्छ. Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Again, Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness, that is SKP equals to 16.82. Okay, 16.82 minus 17.27. 17.27. This equals to, we got here, minus 0.45. Minus 0.45 divided by 4.83. Okay, now let's divide it by 4.83. Divided by 4.83. And we got here minus 0.09. We got here minus 0.09. Okay. So minus 0.09 we got. SKP को value less than 0 आयो. SKP को value less than 0 आयो. यसको केसमा चाहिँ हामीले के भन्छौं त? Okay, the distribution is negatively skewed भन्छौं. हामीलाई यदि less than 0 भयो, SKP को value less than 0 भयो भने negatively skewed, more than 0 भयो भने positively skewed. Okay, exactly 0 आयो भने symmetrical भनेर हामीले interpretation हामीले पढेकै छौं. Okay, so that's why what we are going to write here, result लाई interpret गर्दाखेरि here SKP is less than 0. Okay, SKP ko value is less than 0. Okay, so the distribution is negatively skewed. Okay, this is the interpretation of the result. Here SKP is less than 0, so the distribution is negatively skewed भनेर हामीले यसरी लेख्नु पर्यो.